Well, although it didn't turn out exactly the way I planned, it did turn out pretty much the way I planned. This is my 3D designed and 3D printed mini ITX computer case. Um, Here's the back of it where the accessories and stuff come off. And I've got it doing a bunch of file copying right now. Here on the side you can see the USB 3.0 ports that I added to this computer. It never did have the USB 3.0 from the factory. And in the top of it, spinning along there, is a 120 millimeter fan, which is positioned directly above the CPU. It's kind of hard to see down in there, but you can see the heat sink and so forth. So that's positioned directly above the CPU, so the case fan acts as a CPU cooler. That's just a little Intel Atom processor. This is going to become my Open Media Vault server. And so I did it up really in silver, black, and green. Mint green, as in Linux mint. And so many of the Linux programs use the black, green, and gray colors that I thought I'd do a tribute to it as I designed it. It's sitting up just a little bit, and actually the air flows through the top of the computer. It's sealed. It goes down past the motherboard, and it has two 3.5 inch 4 terabyte drives sitting in the bottom of it, with a 120 gigabyte SSD sitting at the end of it inside. So anyway, it all turned out good. I've got a little post-processing I want to do. I'll probably clear coat the entire thing with a glossy finish so it won't attract fingerprints. And I've got to mount my power switch. It's blinking down here still yet. But that's my power button and my LED activity light for the hard drives. But anyway, it works. It worked out well. It came out surprisingly well. This is the first attempt I've tried to make a complex design using Fusion 360. And I have to say, I learned a lot, and I'm really amazed at how well everything fit together. But anyway, that's what the finished product looks like at this point. Again, I'll do a better video when I have the post-processing done.